Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Fall is coming and it's going to be rainy and chilly, which means it's a perfect time to make a hot bowl of Vietnamese chickenpho, aka phoga. Every family has their own version of chickenpho, but they all have one thing in common. Chickenpho is mainly about the natural flavor of the chicken with a little spice mixed in. As usual, my ingredients are listed in the description box down below. First, make sure to buy an air-chilled free-range chicken. Air-chilled chicken is cooked by passing the chicken through several chambers where cold and purified air is used to cool the meat, resulting in no added chemicals and strong natural flavor. Before we begin making the broth, we need to deep clean the chicken. Sprinkle sea salt on the chicken skin and scrub it. The salt helps to exfoliate the skin. Then rinse the chicken at least 3 times. Cut the onion and ginger in half and toast them in both sides in high heat for 5 minutes. Then add coriander seeds and star anise. Toast for 2 minutes. Discard the burnt surface. The reason why we do this is because charring the onion and gingers and toasting spices can help release and amplify their aromas. Take out the biggest pot in your household. Mine is 6 quarts. Put in the chicken and add water to submerge the chicken. Begin boiling the water using high heat. The impurities will gradually flow to the surface of the soup. Make sure to remove them. After the water starts boiling, turn down the heat to medium. Add toasted ginger, onion, and spices. Add salt and rock sugar, and let it all simmer for about 35 to 40 minutes. The chicken I used here was 4 pounds. If your chicken is bigger, please extend the cooking time. While the broth is simmering, make sure to check on the soup every 5 minutes and remove the excess chicken oil and impurities that may float to the surface. The light yellow chicken soup should be both clean and clear. Don't worry about taking out too much water when skimming. You can always add more water as necessary. When the time is up, feel free to poke the chicken and make sure that no blood is released. Transfer the chicken to a big bowl and let it cool down for 20 minutes before shredding. We can use this time to adjust the soup flavor. I added fish sauce. This is perfect as the fish sauce does a really good job merging the salt and rock sugar flavors. The soup now tastes smooth and very well balanced. After shredding the chicken, I like to lightly season the meat using salt, pepper, and a splash of sesame oil. I put the chicken bones back to the soup, so every time when I reheat the soup, its flavor gets richer and better. Boil the pho noodle according to the instructions on the packaging, and rinse off the noodle with cold water. The pho noodle is often called rice vermicelli, and is sold in a lot of American and Asian stores. Put the chicken shreds on top of the noodle. Prepare some fresh herbs on the side, such as mint, Thai basil, green onions, cilantro, and a lime wedge to finish off a perfect bowl of chickenpho. The soup is steaming hot and very aromatic. It warms your heart and brightens your day. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you like my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!